Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308SW that we've taken back in part exchange. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, speed limit recognition and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done under 12,500 miles. Now if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.